Hello LEGO fans, this is the top 10 LEGO sets of the week. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO City Tuning Workshop, 60,258. Kids who love toy cars, and fans of the hit LEGO City TV series will adore this fun-packed LEGO City Tuning Workshop, 60,258, playset. There's a repair shop, a tow truck and even a small car dealership selling dodgy cars at bargain prices. And the fun doesn't end there. Kids also get a selection of fun characters with cool vehicles, including Tread Octane and his prize hot rod, and Harl Hubs with his crazy, rocket-powered motorcycle. A perfect combination for hilarious role-play adventures. Great building set for kids. This toy playset includes simple building instructions that will help your budding LEGO builder become a master builder. Cool construction toys for kids. LEGO City vehicle playsets give kids the chance to let their inner turbo loose with an awesome range of super fast, super cool toys on wheels. These feature rich building sets, with detailed buildings and fun characters, inspire open-ended, independent play, where children can recreate scenarios that reflect real life in a fun and exciting way. This multi-model LEGO City Tuning Workshop, 60,258, playset is a perfect gift for car lovers and comes with a workshop and an array of cool vehicles, and fun characters for imaginative independent play. Comes with a toy garage, camping trailer, and cool vehicles, including a tow truck, hot rod, and rocket-powered motorbike, plus 7 minifigures, including LEGO City TV characters Tread Octane and Harl Hubs. Kids can operate the engine hoist in the workshop, lift cars with the jack, rescue broken-down vehicles with the tow truck and much more. Kids can also combine this set with other LEGO playsets for fun play and displays. Looking for cool toys for kids aged 5 and up? This tuning workshop building set makes a great Christmas, birthday, or any other day gift for kids who love toy vehicles and for fans of the hit LEGO City TV series. When built, Tread Octane's workshop measures over 5-inch, 14 centimeters, high, 6-inch, 17 centimeters, wide and 5-inch, 13 centimeters, deep, while the tow truck measures over 2-inch, 7 centimeters, high, 7-inch, 18 centimeters, long and 2-inch, 6 centimeters, wide. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Skull Sorcerer's Dragon, 71,721, set. Ninjago fans can build and play with the Skull Sorcerer's Dragon, 71,721. This dragon building kit features 6 buildable figures for captivating creative play. Kids will be able to enjoy role-play action as the ninjas battle the Skull Sorcerer, his dragon, and his skeleton warriors, to free themselves from the spooky dungeons of Shintaro. Amazing playset for board game adventures. This dragon building set also doubles as a LEGO Ninjago board game boasting a ninja dice spinner and an assault course with a trap for the ninjas to navigate. Kids spin the dice and plot their way through the game to grasp the prized ivory blade of deliverance. It can also be combined with other LEGO sets to create a giant board game. Stunning building sets for kids. LEGO Ninjago sets let imaginative youngsters escape to a mystical world where they can act out stories as their ninja heroes, taking on the forces of evil. Kids can indulge in hours of fun role play with a range of dragons, cars, jets and more. LEGO Ninjago Skull Sorcerer's Dragon, 71,721, Dragon set with 6 minifigures to recreate battle scenes from the Ninjago TV series. The ideal gift for fans who want to play out stories and take part in LEGO board games. Detailed ninja playset with a Ninjago Dragon toy and 6 minifigures, Hero J, Hero Kai, Hero Naya, the Skull Sorcerer and 2 Awakened Warriors. Children can role-play adventures or take part in the exciting board game. The LEGO Dragon has moving legs, wings and tail and can fire missiles from 2 shooters and drop bones and spiders. The ninja figures can also participate in a board game to escape the dungeons of Shintaro. This 1016-piece dragon building set provides a great opportunity for boys and girls aged 9+ to throw themselves into a fun building task. Ninjago fans will love to receive it as a birthday present or anytime gift. New for June 2020, this dragon building set is the ideal size to enjoy at home or to take on the go, so the action never stops. The Battle Dragon Fun Toy is over 12-inch, 31 centimeters, high, 14-inch, 38 centimeters, long and 20-inch, 53 centimeters, wide. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Elf Clubhouse, 10,275. If you're looking to recreate the cozy feeling of your favorite Christmas memories, we've got the perfect thing for you, the LEGO Elf Clubhouse, 10,275. It's the ideal way to enjoy quality time with a sugar-sweet DIY project. Build the intricately detailed Elf Clubhouse, then explore all its merry features. A build packed with Christmas cheer. Ramp up the Christmas spirit as you enter the world of the elves. With waffles, presents, and sleigh rides, this model building kit is filled with your favorite Christmas traditions. There's a Christmas tree decked with ornaments, a selection of gifts and a computer to track who's naughty and who's nice. A telescope lets the elves watch Santa's sleigh as it takes off on Christmas Eve. A Christmas building project for you. The Elf Clubhouse is part of a collection of LEGO model building kits for adults who love clever design and detailed scenes. And, of course, this model makes a great Christmas present for your loved ones. Explore your favorite family Christmas traditions with this delightful building challenge. Build the quaint Elf Clubhouse, 10,275, then explore all its cozy holiday details as you unwind with this hands-on project. Create something truly magical with your family this Christmas period. Savor the build, then enjoy a wonderful festive display model that will bring seasonal cheer to your home year after year. Packed with seasonal details. Discover a waffle machine, triple-decker bed with glowing light that shakes to wake the elves, a repositionable chimney in a sleigh, complete with a reindeer, to park in the sleigh port. Looking for Christmas or Advent gift ideas? This model building kit is ideal for LEGO fans or any adult or family who'd love to receive a model building kit with a beautiful display piece to enjoy. At over 8.5 inch, 22 centimeters, high and 5 inch, 13 centimeters, deep, this building set for adults and families makes an impressive Christmas present or Secret Santa gift idea with a display model to enjoy year after year. A battery is included with the light brick in this set, so you can enjoy the illumination right away. It's easy to get started because the set comes with coffee table style building instructions, complete with design details. Part of a series of inspiring LEGO building sets for adults designed for LEGO building fans and hobbyists who love elegant design, beautiful architecture, and models packed with detail. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Architecture Skyline Collection 21052 Dubai model kit. Dubai boasts some of the most spectacular buildings in the world. Now residents, tourists, and all admirers of this futuristic city can recreate its iconic landmarks with this LEGO registered Architecture Skyline Collection 21052 Dubai model kit. Stunning structures. This building set for adults includes scale models of Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building on completion in 2010, the 7-star Burj Al Arab Jumeirah Hotel, the Jumeirah Emirates Towers Hotel. Dubai nameplate for display. And discover interesting facts about Dubai and the model designer in the booklet, English language only. Download other languages at lego.com/architecture. This easy-to-build construction set is suitable even for first-time LEGO architects. It makes a cool creative gift for adults aged 16+ who live or have lived in Dubai, holidayed there or dream of visiting one day. This compact Dubai Skyline model measures over 12-inch, 33 centimeters, high, 10-inch, 27 centimeters, wide and 2-inch, 7 centimeters, deep. It might not take up much space, but it will make a big visual impact wherever you choose to display it. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Ultimate Collector Series 75252 Imperial Star Destroyer model. Build and display an icon of the Galactic Empire, the Devastator. With over 4,700 LEGO pieces, this Ultimate Collector Series 75252 Imperial Star Destroyer model captures all the authentic details of the starship as it appeared in the opening scene of Star Wars: A New Hope, including swiveling guns, a tilting radar dish, huge engine exhausts, intricate surface detailing, and of course a buildable scale version of the Rebels Tantive 4 starship to chase down. This Galactic Civil War UCS set also includes a display stand with informational fact plaque and 2 Imperial minifigures, making it the perfect LEGO Star Wars collectible for discerning fans. Includes Imperial officer and Imperial crew member minifigures. The Devastator Imperial Star Destroyer model features swiveling guns, a tilting radar dish, huge engine exhausts, and intricate surface detailing. Also includes an attachable, buildable scale version Tantive 4 starship for added Star Wars: A New Hope authenticity. With a display stand with informational fact plaque for the ultimate display piece. Also comes with 2 blaster pistol weapons. This Ultimate Collector Series set has 4,784 pieces. Inspire unforgettable Star Wars: A New Hope moments. The perfect LEGO registered Star Wars trademark collectible for fans of the Star Wars saga. UCS model on display stand measures over 17-inch, 44 centimeters, high, 43-inch, 110 centimeters, long, and 26-inch, 66 centimeters, wide, and over 14-inch, 37 centimeters, high without stand. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Technic 42108 mobile crane set. An action-packed set for crane toy fans. Anyone who loves discovering how mega machines work will have lots of fun with this LEGO Technic 42108 mobile crane. It's a challenging build, perfect for LEGO Technic fans looking for a model packed with functionality. A feature-packed crane truck for construction site fun with its classic black and yellow design. This model looks just like the real thing. And with a mighty range of realistic features, it operates just like a real crane too. First, steer and drive the vehicle to the right spot. Then use the outriggers to secure the crane in place. From the crane cabin, raise the boom and extend the telescopic arm, see how high it reaches. Then use the hoist to carry the concrete pillar, great for role-play, or just for testing what this mega crane can do. An immersive and rewarding construction site toy. This is a challenging and advanced build from the LEGO Technic universe, bringing the world of engineering to life. See how a real crane works with this action-packed LEGO set for construction fans. Steer the truck, put out the outriggers, raise the boom and hoist the concrete pillar. There's plenty to learn about engineering and movement with this cool building toy. 8-wheel steering, 4 individually controlled outriggers, 2 cabins, and super high telescopic arm all add up to create an awesome crane. Have fun building this challenging model. Then explore what all the different features can do. Use the pillar to put the crane through its paces before moving the truck to the next job. Crane fans aged 10 plus will love this amazing LEGO Technic 42108 set. It's a great choice if you're looking for the best gifts for anyone who loves LEGO Technic and is ready for a new building challenge. The thing you'll notice about this LEGO crane is its size. With a 30-inch, 78 centimeters, crane arm, it's certainly tall. Its impressive dimensions make this a super display model at 18-inch, 48 centimeters, long and 4-inch, 11 centimeters, wide. No batteries are needed for this crane truck toy. Just bring curiosity and a desire to build to get started. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Ideas 21324 123 Sesame Street. Sesame Street has been a family favorite TV show for more than 50 years. Now you can create a colorful, LEGO registered brick version of 123 Sesame Street and relive classic scenes with this awesome LEGO Ideas 21324 build and display set for adults. Instantly recognizable details. The 123 Sesame Street building features Bert and Ernie's apartment, Elmo's bedroom, and Bert's rooftop birdhouse, and is packed with authentic details and accessories to delight fans. To complete the iconic street corner scene, there is Hooper's store, Big Bird's nest, Oscar the Grouch's trash can and much more. This set includes Sesame Street character minifigures Elmo, Cookie Monster, Bert, and Ernie, plus Oscar the Grouch and Big Bird figures, to spark imaginative fun. Wonderful gift idea. Part of a collection of LEGO building sets designed to help adults relax in a mindful, creative way, this model kit makes a super gift for yourself, your family and any Sesame Street fan, LEGO enthusiast, or hobbyist in your life. You can tell everyone how to get to Sesame Street and spark nostalgic memories when you build and display this LEGO Ideas 21324 set, featuring the iconic 123 Sesame Street building and Hooper's store. The set features Elmo, Cookie Monster, Bert, and Ernie minifigures, plus Oscar the Grouch and Big Bird figures. Also includes Slimy the Worm, Dorothy the Goldfish, Radar the Teddy Bear and Rubber Ducka figures. The 123 Sesame Street model features Elmo's bedroom and Bert and Ernie's apartment, including the iconic portrait of the pair in Ernie's bath, plus lots more authentic details and accessory elements to delight fans. The Sesame Street corner also includes Hooper's store, Big Bird's nest, Oscar the Grouch's trash can and more, making this 1,367-piece building kit a fun way to spend quality time on your own or with the family. The model measures over 9.4 inch, 24 centimeters, high, 14.2 inch, 36.2 centimeters, wide and 8.2 inch, 21 centimeters, deep. An eye-catching display piece for your home, it also makes the best LEGO gift for Sesame Street fans and hobbyists in your life. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Art The Beatles 31198 set. If you're a Beatles fan, we have the perfect set for you. Build one of 4 unique portraits of the iconic band members with this LEGO Art The Beatles 31198 set and relish a creative escape from everyday life. Relaxing project. Create one of 4 detailed wall art portraits of your favorite Beatle, whether it's John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, or Ringo Starr, with this 2,933-piece set. While building, listen to the included soundtrack and let it immerse you in stories and unexpected details about the band. Finish the build with the Beatles signature tile and display it on a wall or shelf. Artistic mindfulness. You don't need to be an artist or have a collection of LEGO models to enjoy the satisfaction of completing this wall art kit. Once done, you'll have a piece to display with pride. This LEGO art set is part of a collection of building kits focused on music, art, design, and architecture. The sets also make a great gift for anyone, including yourself, seeking a new project. Build this stunning LEGO Art The Beatles, 31,198, canvas art set, featuring a model with 4 build options. You can display your passion for the Beatles on your wall or shelf after creating any one of the 4 portraits. Escape the daily grind with this 2,933-piece LEGO registered set for adults, which includes 9 canvas wall decor plates, a The Beatles signature tile, a brick-built LEGO frame, unique new hanging element and piece separator. This set immerses you in your passion for arts and crafts while you make a creative piece of art. With the included soundtrack, you can really dive into the set and learn unexpected details as you build. Celebrate your love of music and the Beatles by building and displaying this unique set. It also makes an imaginative birthday present for yourself or other DIY enthusiasts in your life who love creative projects. This 4-in-1 art piece measures over 15.5 inch, 40 centimeters, square. It displays beautifully on a wall or shelf and its details will ensure it stands out in your collection. This clever LEGO set offers 4 different building options. You don't need batteries. This art set for adults offers a stress-relieving, immersive build with LEGO pieces and a unique soundtrack. Escape your daily routine and create a gorgeous wall display piece. The coffee table quality instructions help guide you through the project and start with a deep dive into the art before you start building. Once you begin, enjoy the soundtrack experience that's customized for this set. Perfect for display on a wall or shelf. LEGO art models of iconic artworks, musicians, superheroes, and Sith Lords offer you a rewarding building experience while you explore your passion for creative arts and crafts. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this new LEGO DC Batman 1989 revealed. This is no kid's toy. If you're serious about Batman comic book superheroes or making cool models, this LEGO DC Batman 1989 Batwing is for you. Batwing Construction Project. Recreate the authentic detail and gothic elegance of Batman's iconic aircraft, the Batwing, with this LEGO brick build and display model. The impressive reproduction features realistic details, removable canopy, full interior, posable flaps and a new special brick that will allow you to mount and display your model on your wall. There's also a stand, nameplate, and 3 minifigures, Batman, the Joker trademark and a Lawrence the Boombox Goon trademark, to create an impressive setting for your model. LEGO Brick Model Making Kits. Escape the busy world for a moment and discover the joy of creative construction with adult LEGO building sets. Satisfying to build and stunning to display, adult LEGO kits make great birthday gifts, holiday presents and personal treats for anyone interested in model making or comic culture. Indulge your passion for the Cape Crusader with the LEGO DC Batman 1989 Batwing. If you're an adult Batman fan or a model building enthusiast, this buildable display model of the Batwing is for you. The iconic style of the Batwing from the 1989 Batman trademark movie is enhanced by a sturdy stand, nameplate, and 3 minifigures, Batman, the Joker, and a Boombox Goon. This challenging and rewarding building project provides an engrossing and stress-relieving break from the real world, and will look great when displayed on the wall or on its stand in your home or workplace. Any superhero or LEGO fan will love this 2,363-piece construction kit. Whether you buy it for yourself, as a birthday gift or a holiday present, the LEGO Batwing model is sure to deliver hours of enjoyment. Measuring over 4 inch, 11 centimeters, high, 20 inch, 52 centimeters, long and 22 inch, 58 centimeters, wide, the LEGO DC Batman 1989 Batwing looks stunning on its stand and when attached to the wall. No batteries required. This collectible piece of Batman memorabilia offers a hands-on, build and display experience that will catch the eye of every Batman, sci-fi or model-making enthusiast. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this 2020 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, 75,279. Kids can wake up to a gift every day in the run-up to Christmas with the 2020 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, 75,279, holiday building set. Behind each of the 24 doors is a Star Wars LEGO minifigure, LEGO figure, buildable starship, vehicle, or location. Also, look out for a code to unlock Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga game content. Quick builds, unlimited creative fun. There are 6 LEGO minifigures and 6 LEGO figures to discover, such as Darth Vader with Christmas sweater decoration and Dio with a festive hat, plus a fold-out playmat with an image of the Millennium Falcon with Christmas lights to inspire creative play. The 12 mini builds in this holiday calendar include Anakin's pod racer, a Republic cruiser, and Darth Vader's castle. Great gift ideas. Since 1999, the LEGO Group has been recreating iconic starships, vehicles, locations, and characters from the legendary Star Wars universe. LEGO Star Wars building toys are hugely popular, with fun Christmas gift ideas for kids and fans of all ages. Build Christmas joy with the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, 75,279, featuring buildable characters, vehicles, and locations behind each door. There is also a code to unlock Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga game content. Includes 6 LEGO minifigures and 6 LEGO figures, such as Poe Dameron and Darth Vader with Christmas sweater decorations and Tauntaun with a red nose, plus a fold-out playmat with a Millennium Falcon image for role play. There are also 12 mini-build toys including the Millennium Falcon, an A-Wing, TIE Fighter, X-Wing, droid control ship, Anakin's pod racer, and Darth Vader's castle to spark kids' imaginations in the run-up to Christmas. This 311-piece Advent Calendar building set makes a fun Christmas holiday gift for kids aged 7 and up, and the characters and construction models can be used with other LEGO Star Wars sets for even more creative play. Between door opening ceremonies and playtime adventures, the 2020 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar makes an eye-catching, festive display piece in any room. The collectibles found in this LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar construction playset are built with LEGO bricks and powered by children's creativity. No batteries required, so their galactic adventures never stop. Is your youngster a LEGO newbie? Don't worry. There is a drawing showing the bricks for each mini build in this Star Wars Christmas Advent Calendar to guide them, so they can build with the confidence of a true Jedi. LEGO Star Wars building toys are awesome for kids and adult fans to recreate scenes from the saga, dream up original stories, or just build and display the awesome construction models. No need to use the Force to connect or pull apart LEGO bricks. Ever since 1958, they have met the highest industry standards to ensure that they fit together perfectly and with ease. LEGO bricks and pieces are tested in almost every way imaginable, so you can be sure that this Christmas Advent Calendar meets the highest safety and quality standards on planet Earth, and in galaxies far, far away. Thanks for watching and see you soon.